following county, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the News River at Smithfield from late tonight until further notice. At 1:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 14.1 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to 15.6 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall to 15.0 feet and begin rising again early Friday afternoon. It will rise to 15.8 feet Saturday evening. It will then fall again but remain above flood stage. Impact at 15.0 feet. Flooding begins along the News River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant. Flood history. No available flood history.